The future of filmmaking, top 10 editing programs of 2025. Today, a new breed of explorer emerges armed with cameras and computers, capturing and sharing the world. The journey from raw footage to a compelling story requires video editing software. In this digital age, the options are vast and varied. Whether you're seasoned or just starting, choosing the right software can be daunting. Join me as we explore the top 10 programs to unleash your creativity in 2025. Adobe Premiere Pro, the industry standard. In the vast savanna of video editing software, Adobe Premiere Pro reigns supreme. A powerful and versatile predator, it has evolved to become the go-to choice for professionals worldwide. Its intuitive interface and comprehensive features provide editors with unparalleled control, from basic cuts to advanced color grading and visual effects. Final Cut Pro, a Mac-exclusive ecosystem. For those who prefer the sleek design and intuitive nature of the Apple ecosystem, Final Cut Pro is a formidable contender, favored by Mac users for its speed, efficiency, and user-friendly interface. Seamlessly integrated with Apple's hardware and software, Final Cut Pro offers a streamlined workflow for creative focus. DaVinci Resolve, the color master. Emerging from Hollywood, DaVinci Resolve is a true master of color. Renowned for its color correction, it has evolved into a comprehensive editing suite. With its node-based workflow, DaVinci Resolve offers granular control, achieving stunning cinematic visuals. Chapter 4. HitFilm Express, the free spirit. HitFilm Express stands out as a beacon of accessibility in video editing. This free software offers a wide range of editing tools and visual effects. From basic cuts to green screen compositing and 3D animation, HitFilm Express empowers filmmakers to unleash creativity without breaking the bank. Chapter 5. Filmora, the beginner's paradise. Navigating video editing for the first time can be daunting, but fear not, Filmora is a sanctuary for beginners. Its drag-and-drop interface and extensive library make editing accessible. From slideshows to complex projects, Filmora empowers everyone to tell their stories. Chapter 6. Avid Media Composer, the Hollywood heavyweight. For decades, Avid Media Composer has been the king of Hollywood. This powerful suite crafts blockbuster films and acclaimed TV shows, earning its place as the industry standard for filmmakers. Avid Media Composer remains the top choice for precision and performance. Chapter 7. CyberLink PowerDirector, Innovation Unleashed. In the fast-paced world of technology, innovation is key. CyberLink PowerDirector pushes the boundaries of video editing. Renowned for innovative features, intuitive interface, and fast rendering speeds. From 360-degree editing to AI tools, PowerDirector helps create stunning videos that captivate audiences. Chapter 8. Sony Vegas Pro, a legacy of excellence. Sony Vegas Pro has long held a place of distinction in video editing. It blends powerful audio and video tools, offering a comprehensive suite for creative expression. Its intuitive interface and vast array of effects make it a favorite among professionals and filmmakers. Chapter 9. Camtasia, the screen capture specialist. In a digital world, sharing knowledge through video is essential. Camtasia provides tools for screen recording and editing. Create tutorials, presentations, or training videos. Camtasia's features make it easy to capture, edit, and share. Chapter 10. OpenShot, the Open-Source Oasis. OpenShot stands as a testament to the power of open-source development. This free and versatile video editor provides a platform for both beginners and experienced editors. With its intuitive interface, cross-platform compatibility, and growing library of effects and transitions, OpenShot proves you don't need a hefty price tag for professional quality videos. The journey continues. Choosing your editing companion. As we conclude our expedition through the diverse landscape of video editing software, I hope you feel empowered to choose the perfect companion for your creative journey. From the professional-grade power of Adobe Premiere Pro to the user-friendly simplicity of Filmora, there's a program out there for every skill level and budget. Remember, the most important factor is finding the software that best suits your individual needs and workflow.